What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Gunfish TV. Back out here on the water today, and I know a lot of times I don't say where I'm at, but I'm gonna let y'all know today I'm out here on Lake Gaston. So Lake Gaston, this is a lake that a lot of people ask me about. I haven't been here in a while, and I kind of know why already. Just running to my first spot, my lower back is hurting from hitting so many boat wakes already. Just out here on these big lakes, the recreational traffic is just terrible. And, you know, it's warmed up, so, you know, it's you kind of got to deal with it on these type of lakes. But, you know, it's about 2 o'clock. Me and my daughter, we went turkey hunting this morning, so getting out here a little bit late. But what I'm hoping is this morning it was rainy and really cloudy, and now the sun has came out. So I'm hoping this is going to push the fish on the docks, and maybe that dock bite will be a little bit better. So basically, I'm going to be flipping docks, skipping docks, throwing around docks, looking for bedding fish as well. You know, I don't know, hopefully we catch some. We got about 5 hours to fish. Let's see if we can get them. All right, so we're gonna roll up to our first dock here, and we're gonna kind of concentrate on the shallow ones. The water temp's only 71, so we should be good to go on the dock bite. They should be on them pretty good, I'm thinking. The water does have some color to it, which is good. I do like that. So let's get the old jig out and let's do some skipping. Let's do some skipping. What do we got on here as far as a trailer? We got a speed crawl. All right, we got that one under there. We got it's a speed crawl on here for a trailer right now. I don't really love that. We're gonna put something else on here. Minnow scrub. There's one. Yep. There's one. Right there on that grass.
Oh, man, I missed it.
There we go, on that jig. Little guy, but we got one right off the bat on the jig. Thank you, buddy.
Not big enough?
No, I throw them all back. Well, that didn't take long. First little patch of grass we got too. Okay. On the jig, that fish thumped it too. Got right many fish right out here in front of us. Should be some fish around these docks too though. There's right many fish right out in front, sitting off this little edge. But I threw the jig right up there to the grass and that fish thumped it. All right, so fished about, I don't know, 15 docks and got one bite. So we got some docks in here we're definitely gonna fish, but I'm gonna throw the buzz bait leading up to those docks. See if we can get one to come up on this thing. Right, we got this pocket up here in front of us, and Usually I catch a lot of fish in this pocket on these docks. So hopefully we can get some. I'm probably gonna, I don't know, I might skip them, but I might throw the rage bug. I'm not 100% sure. But we're gonna flip these and we're gonna hit a couple more, and then we're gonna go looking at some grass, because that bite was kind of quick and in a very specific spot. Would be fairly easy to duplicate on this lake, so might do a little bit of looking around and see if we can find some more. We got a little bit right up here in front of us on this left side, so I'm curious to see if we get bit there or not. If we do, then it's gonna be game on. I know exactly what we need to do, so hopefully we do. That way we can kind of break things down kind of quick. All right, we're gonna move. We are gonna move. Let's see, where are we gonna go? We are gonna go to, I think we're gonna go to some main lake stuff. Get on some grass. I think that's gonna be our best way to catch a big fish. I really do. Let me get my life jacket out. I just cruised to my first spot, so I didn't wear my life jacket, but it is something I'm trying to get better at doing it. You really, really, really should wear them, because accidents can happen. They have happened to a couple of my buddies here recently, and just wear your life jackets. All right, next spot. I think we might pick up the darn frog. I had like 2 other places I wanted to go. Couldn't go to either one of them because, well, this is just a crowded place. It is crowded, but that's how it is fishing, you know, fishing these big lakes. But let's see. Tell you what, we're gonna throw the buzz bait to start off with, and then we might throw that frog once we get over there around that grass. Put this buzz bait up against this head wall. Might pick up the frog, might flip some. I don't know, we gotta get a few more fish in the boat. Caught one quick and got one more bite on the dock, on the jig, and that's it. Get that jig up. Oh, that's the frog, that's not the jig. We'll throw that in a second. Caught a couple waves in it. Blew my reel up. That's one thing about, you know, skipping when you have these boat wakes and all, it does make a big difference on your ability to skip. But that's why it's so important to have this reel with this shallow spool, because I mean, did y'all see how easy I picked that out? Like, it just makes a huge difference. Oh no, I just missed him. First frog bite. And I missed him. Well, they will bite the frog. Darn it. Hey, I'm excited. Hadn't thrown it so long. Bit it right out in front of the grass. Nice. Wish we would have got him, but hey, he kind of surprised me, I'm not gonna lie. He hit it right as I started moving it again. All right, let's see if we can get one in the boat now that we know they'll bite it. There's one. Get that one. There we go. Sitting out here on this darn buoy. Some spots. Saw them with live scope. There we go, little guy. Well, I'll take him. There's several more down there with him. Let's see if we can get them to bite as well. They're all down there roaming around. I mean, I hate to mess with spots. That ain't what I want to catch, but I mean, I ain't trying to sit here and suck it up either. Let's see. They're all down there sitting on the bottom now. Well, we picked us up a spot on some deeper stuff on the old rage bug. I don't know, that just, I don't want to go deep, but I swear I might have to. I mean, it is what it is, I reckon. If I got to do that. There we go. That's a pretty nice one. Pretty nice spot. Get in here. All right. On that dock. Right on the front of that dock. I mean, we're not whacking them, but we are catching a few fish. So there we go. Thank you there, buddy. All right. On the rage bug. Right there on that dock. I actually saw that fish sitting like kind of in front, and I pitched up there and it was more than one, and they came out on it. You know, live scope, I tell y'all, it is something else. It is something else. All right, not doing terrible. There's a couple more sitting right in there, in that one. All right, so we threw the big bait for a little while and we didn't get any bites. I wanted to just throw it around to try it. Try to throw it every time I come out just to get more comfortable with it, but I've still yet to catch a fish on it, so not a lot of confidence in it. But we're gonna get right and run to another spot. Not seeing a lot of fish right here, so we're gonna pull the trolling motor up and we're gonna run across the lake. Gonna go to some more grassy points, and we don't have a lot of time left to fish. About maybe another 30 minutes, but I would really like to get that number 5 in the boat. That would be pretty nice. We're gonna get our rods organized. Gonna strap them down with these nice GF Outdoors rod straps. So if you need some rod straps for your boat, be sure to get them. Y'all can see them right there. I make them. They're really nice. I guarantee them. I mean, I guarantee they're nicer than what you can buy anywhere else. So, and I got them in a bunch of different colors. So we're good to go. That's gfoutdoors.com if you're looking for some. I got them linked down in the description below, but we're gonna go over here. Let's get us another one. We're right here at the next spot, and could be the last spot. I don't know. I don't want to say that, but could be. But I'm really hoping to pick up good old number 5 right here. It's a good spot to do it. I catch a lot of fish in this spot, so it's a really good point. Got some grass on it. Maybe we can make it happen. Maybe we can make it happen right here. Big old ball of bait out there. There he is. There he is. There he is. Come here. Get in here. That's a solid one too. On that rage bug. We wanted number 5, and we got him. I could just see them down there on live scope. Chunky dude. Thank you there, buddy. It's a bunch of them down there. I mean, it is a wad. So we're gonna keep throwing there and see if we can catch a few more. That's fun. All right, y'all. Well, this is going to be the last flip. We didn't tear them up. We didn't destroy them by no means, but we caught 5 fish. And that's always my goal when I hit the water, is to catch 5 fish. So we were able to do that. We missed some more, lost a few. But I'll take it. I'll take it. This is the first time that I've fished Gaston since I've had live scope. And I will say that on these spots, it's surely deadly effective. I mean, it's deadly. You know, I could see them out deep, throw to them, and a lot of times they would bite. You know, sometimes they would chase and wouldn't bite, but a lot of times they would bite. So pretty daggone cool. You know, I'm gonna have to get here and really spend some more time out here, especially as it gets, you know, more in the summertime and the fish really get deep. But pretty fun. Pretty fun. And I didn't fish long either. I mean, I fished like, I don't know, maybe 4 hours at the most. But let's go ahead and get this thing on the trailer.